Hi there guys, welcome back to my new video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notification of my new videos. So let's start our video. So in this video I will tell you more about black long heels. You will see many ideas of black long heels in this video. So in the realm of shoes, black long heels are often crowned with the queen. They are not merely footwear, they are an attitude, a statement of confidence and style. Synonymous with sophistication, they can transform a simple outfit into a head-turning ensemble. The color black, renowned for its slimming effect, also lends an element of mystery and allure. The beauty of black heels lies in their versatility. From corporate boardrooms to dance floors, they fit in effortlessly. Every fashion-forward individual, regardless of their style preference, owns at least one pair, whether it's a sleek pump, a strappy sandal, or an ankle boot. The options are abundant. While their aesthetic appeal is undeniable, wearing high heels is an art in itself. It demands balance, posture, and a hint of audacity. Moreover, choosing the right pair with adequate support and cushioning, it is crucial for comfort. For many, the pain is a small price to pay for the elegance they bring. Historically, high heels were a signifier of aristocracy. Today, they symbolize self-expression and individuality. Black long heels, with their timeless charm, continue to be a cherished position and possession in wardrobes worldwide. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please watch this video till the end so you can get all the ideas of these very beautiful, elegant black long heels. You will see stilettos, wedges, and many more options in this video for black long heels. You can buy them with your own favorite store. I will just giving you ideas about black long heels. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my video and my YouTube channel. And tell me in comments if you want more videos on black long heels. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye, see you soon.